I don't believe in negative politics.
In an interview with DD News Meghalaya, War West constituency candidate Treibor Suchen shared how his experience as General Secretary of the JHADC Students' Union has prepared him for a political role. Suchen emphasized the importance of policy creation for public welfare, contrasting his previous advocacy work with the responsibility of actual governance. He revealed his goals for the JHADC Council, hoping to serve his constituency effectively. The War West constituency race featured two main political parties, the NPP and the UDP, in addition to the VPP, and few independent candidates, which includes Treibor Suchen.
Someone very simple, when I feel, you open name the city council, the yap got the UDP MCO plea with the penga ongoiki, the MU who be at the an negative Kabanta with talk, Koye Europe and Uyada. You can take a Norim, and you can take a dig to store in, and you can take a only go to Kaki Jack, your pensioner, and you won't mock, and I which ever opens camp. The member can come with there. The young him on the job in have great stop. Your view and rap young, Yakate, Kajinchania, or White Back, Yakate Council.
A symposium